Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between enterprise value and market capitalization. Enterprise value and market capitalization are two important business valuation metrics used by investors, analysts, and financial professionals. While both help determine a company's worth, they measure value from different perspectives. Market capitalization focuses only on a company's equity value, whereas enterprise value provides a more comprehensive view by including debt and cash. Let's explore the major differences between them. Number 1. Enterprise value represents the total value of a company including debt and equity, whereas market capitalization represents only the value of a company's outstanding shares. Number 2. Enterprise value includes market value of equity, debt, preferred stock, and minority interest minus cash, whereas market capitalization includes only the market value of common shares. Number 3. Enterprise value excludes non-operating assets from core business valuation, whereas market capitalization excludes debt, cash, preferred stock, and other liabilities. Number 4. Enterprise value reflects the value of the entire business, whereas market capitalization reflects ownership value from shareholders' perspective. Number 5. Enterprise value is widely used in mergers, acquisitions, and takeover analysis, whereas market capitalization is mainly used to measure company size and equity value. Number 6. Enterprise value focuses on the value of business operations and assets, whereas market capitalization focuses only on equity ownership. Number 7. Enterprise value considers the company's capital structure including debt and equity, whereas market capitalization ignores how the company is financed. Number 8. Enterprise value is generally less volatile because it includes debt and cash components, whereas market capitalization is more volatile as it depends mainly on stock price movements. Number 9. Enterprise value is calculated using both balance sheet information and market data, whereas market capitalization is calculated only from market data. Number 10. Enterprise value decreases when cash holdings increase because cash is deducted, whereas market capitalization is not directly affected by cash balances. Number 11. Enterprise value is highly sensitive to leverage and debt levels, whereas market capitalization is not directly influenced by debt. Number 12. Enterprise value represents value available to all capital providers including lenders and shareholders, whereas market capitalization represents value available only to equity shareholders. Number 13. Enterprise value is best used when comparing companies with different capital structures, whereas market capitalization is best used for measuring market perception and company size. Number 14. Enterprise value is preferred for cross-industry comparisons where leverage differs significantly, whereas market capitalization becomes less effective when capital structures vary greatly. Number 15. Enterprise value shows the theoretical cost to acquire an entire company, whereas market capitalization shows what investors currently value the company's equity at in the stock market. Conclusion. Enterprise value provides a complete picture of a company's total business value by considering debt and cash, whereas market capitalization focuses only on shareholder equity value. Understanding both metrics helps investors make more informed valuation and investment decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.